Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Time XYZ. It's Natasha. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it. So this week I'm at home. So the family likes to do camping, in the summertime. I'm not a camper per se, but I do it for the family. But my mom this year, she's like, oh, let's just get a cottage at the campground. So I'm like, yes, I'm with you. I'll do a cottage. And of course I brought the air fryer. This is my mom's air fryer actually. But even if we're camping outside in a tent, we get one of those electric lot, and I take my air fryer with me. Because I need my tea, and it's just quicker with the kids and everything. It's just more convenient if you can take the air fryer with you. So this week we're going to do something quick thing I usually do is keto pizza. So use the keto wrap and make pizza with it. I didn't get the wrap. So I usually get this wrap. So I usually get this from Costco. Okay guys, so if you buy this at Costco, it's like $6 and change for 15. And if you buy it at a regular grocery store, if you can find it, it's about 6 in it for about $6 and change. So if you can get the Costco, then you get a better deal for it. I use this with everything. So in the morning when I'm having breakfast, if I just want to have eggs and bacon, and I don't have any toast or anything like that, I grab the wrap, make a wrap. Lunchtime, same thing. Can have some meat, some salad in it, make a wrap. It's very versatile. I make pizza with it all the time because it's just quick and easy to make it. So we have some tomato sauce, we have our cheese, and I have all these little stuff here. So some tomatoes, some tomato peppers, some bacon, some salami, some chicken pieces. I just bake chicken in the air fryer and I just broke them apart. Some onions, some basil, some red peppers, whatever you want in your pizza. So the wrap, the keto-friendly, you put some tomato sauce, just like you make a regular pizza. It's crispy. It takes about 8 minutes, 8 to 10. I can't tell how crispy you want it. And you have a meal. Well, you have to get maybe 2, right? But again, if you put a lot of things on it, it can be very heavy, but you still need at least 2 because it's very thin. Or you can have it with a salad. So I'm going to show you how I do this because it's a perfect thing for here at the cottage or at the campground. It's quick and it's easy. And I also have a pita wrap because I have one child that doesn't touch the keto stuff. So I have like the Greek pita wrap. I'm just going to put some cheese on this. I get in there for air fryer 5 to 8 minutes. And you have cheese pizza, or if they eat hot dog, you put hot dogs on it. Whatever they want on it. Air fryer is great for that. So let's make some keto wrap pizza. And guys, before I go, let me show you something. Look, oh my god, like this is the best. I'm going to just even get you a picture of inside. Look at this cup. It's black, of course my favorite. I have minty, but inside is like art. It's beautiful. So just look at it. And we got it on the way here. My husband got me a cup again. So yes, I have a new cup, but it means I have to get rid of an old cup, right? But let's make some keto wrap pizza. Okay, everyone, so the pizzas are finished. I hope this video was helpful for you. I did end up making 4 keto wrap pizza, 2 Greek pizzas. I don't have a picture of 6 pizzas to show you because they were eaten as they came out. That means they were really yummy. I got the last one, of course. But thank you for watching. Share the video, subscribe. Have a wonderful day. God bless you and see you next time. Bye.